3M Scotch Weld structural adhesives are premium performance products ranging from highly flexible to high-strength bonds, providing superior plastic to metal bonding. With a variety of options from instant bonding to long open times for more complex parts, you can design with confidence and build to last. 3M Scotch Weld Low Odor Acrylic Adhesive DP8805NS is a low odor, toughened two-part acrylic adhesive with a fast rate of strength buildup. Here is an example you can do using the substrates from your demo kit to show rate of strength build. .3M Scotch Weld Low Odor Acrylic Adhesive DP8805NS is ideal for panel-to-frame adhesion, bonding plastic letters and trim attachment and signage, plastics bonding, bonding powder-coated metals, stiffeners, aluminum or stainless steel bonding for HVAC applications and computer electronic housings. 3M Scotch Weld Low Odor Acrylic Adhesive DP8805NS effectively bonds to oily and painted materials. Its fast rate of strength buildup is great for time-sensitive manufacturing.